Hello, Smarties! Welcome back to our Arabic lesson. Do you remember your wave letters? Noon, Ta, Ba, Tha, Ya. The wave letters look like the waves of the ocean. Na, Ta, Tha, Ba, Ya. These are our loopy loop letters. Ha, Waw, Fa, Qaf, Mim. The loopy loop letters, when they are joined together, they look like loops. Ha, Fa, Qa, Ma, Wa. Do you remember your big belly letters? Jim, Ha, Kha, Ain, Ghain. Ha, Ja, Kha, A, Gha. Let's see if you can read these letters. Remember, these are not words. They are just to help you identify letters. Ha, Wa, Kha. Is this a Kha? It has a dot below it. It's Ja. A, Ta. Good. Next one. Fa, Ta, Ya, A, Fa. Is this a Fa? It has two dots. A loop with two dots is Qa. Kha. Let's do one more. Ma, Ha, Ya, Wa, Qa, A. Very good. Now you know your wave, loopy loop and belly letters. Good job. If you want to revise them, I'll leave the links for them in the description box below. Did you know that the Arabic alphabets have a lot of big belly letters? Today, we will meet the other big belly letters. Sheen, Sheen, Saad, Daad. What happens if these letters want to hold hands? My big belly is in the way. Stretch, I can't reach. Give me your hand. So when they want to hold hands, they let go of their bellies. But the letter at the end can let its belly out as there's lots of space. The two belly letters we will learn today look like the teeth of a beaver. Our first letter is Sheen. Say it with me. Sheen. Sheen makes the S sound. And do you remember a friend, the Fatha? The Fatha makes the A sound. So Sheen with a Fatha, Sa. Sheen looks like the teeth of a beaver. Let me show you. Doesn't it? Let's see it again. Oh yes, it does look like the teeth of a beaver. Let's try reading this now. Sa, 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 sa. Our next letter is Sheen. Sheen looks like a scene, but it has three dots on top. This is our letter Sheen. The letter Sheen makes the sh sound. Sheen with a fatha, sha. Sha, 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 sha. Can you find the hidden Sheen? Here it is. No. Sheen has 3 dots on top. Seen has no dots. This one has no dots, so it is a seen. This is our letter Sheen. It has 3 dots on top. Let's read this. Sh, sh, sa, sh, sa. Good. But do you remember we have another letter which has 3 dots on top? The letter Tha. Sheen has 3 dots on top and Tha has 3 dots on top. But don't get confused because Sheen looks like the teeth of a beaver and Tha looks like a pointy wave. Sh, tha, sh, tha, sh. Sheen looks like the teeth of a beaver. Tha looks like a pointy wave. So don't get confused between Sheen and Tha. They both have 3 dots on top, but Sheen looks like the teeth of a beaver and Tha looks like a pointy wave. Let's practice Sheen and Tha. Sheen, Tha, Sheen, Tha. Is this a Tha? No, look, it has the teeth of a beaver. So it is Sheen. Sheen with a fatha, sha. Tha, sha. Let's do it again. Sha, tha, sha, sha, tha, sha. Very good. Are you ready to see our next 2 big belly letters? They look like muscles. This is our letter Saad. Saad. It is a heavy letter. Let's say it again. Saad. Saad with a fatha, saw. Remember, seen with a fatha, sa. But this is our heavy letter, so Saad with a fatha, saw. Doesn't the letter Saad look like a big muscle? It makes a heavy sound. Saad, Saad. Let's read Saad with a fatha. Saw, 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 saw. Good job. Our next letter looks like a Saad, but it has a dot on top. It is our letter Bod. Bod. Saad and Bod are both heavy letters. Bod with a fatha, ba. Ba, 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 ba. Good job. Can you find the letter Bod? Saad has no dot and Bod has a dot on top. Hooray! You found it! This is our letter Bod. Bod has a dot on top. Saw, ba, ba, saw, ba. Good. Let's check if you remember the letters we learned today. What letters did we learn today? Seen, Sheen, Saad, Bod. Sa, sha, saw, sa, ba. Ba, ba. Is this the letter Bod? No, it has no dot, so it is saw. Sha, sa, sa. Is this sa? No, it is not. It is our muscle. It is the letter saw. Sha, sa, ba, sha, saw, share. Let's do one more. Saw, share, baw, saw, sa. Very good. Let's see if you can do this all by yourself. If you need some help, let's do it together. This letter looks like the teeth of a beaver and it has no dots on it. It is sa. This looks like a muscle with a dot, baw. Baw, sa. This looks like a muscle without a dot, saw. This letter, it looks like the teeth of a beaver with 3 dots on top, so it is sha. Let's read it again. Sa, baw, baw, sa, saw, sha. Excellent. You did very well today. إلى اللقاء.